Hello and fins up. Today I'm here to give you a walkthrough of this Antigua, and it's on a corner lot. No neighbors. This is Heather helping you find your best beach life. Let's check out this beauty. And welcome into this Antigua. Now, right off the bat, nice quiet preserve view, right? So you've got this open living space. They did add the recessed lighting. It's got plenty of light flooding in. Here's your dining room. You're able to choose your own chandelier. And then here's the kitchen. Here's one of my favorite countertops. So gorgeous. And look how cute these lights are. Notice? Yep, upside down Margaritaville glasses. I meant margarita glasses. Now, this looks darker in the video than it is in real life. It's a beautiful teal and all varying colors. So you can do anything with this. It's not gonna lock you into color. This one is gas. And they've added a little buffet here just for pretties and stuff. You've got your pantry, of course. Let's go back here into the guest quarters. Plenty of space. Notice how quiet it is outside that window. And then you have the washer and dryer. Now what I like what they've done in here is that they stacked the washer and dryer so they could add kind of a mudroom concept here. I thought that was great. Now I need to share this garage because look at what has been installed. So much storage. It's fantastic. Okay. Now let's check out the guest bath. And they've taken that tile up. Beautiful, nice tall marble look. You've got the same countertops, so it's contiguous throughout. Okay. So we walk through the living room. And here in the main bed, you do have the wall mounts. If you'd like to mount the TV, you've got a beautiful view of the preserve from the bed. And then in the bathroom, you're gonna see the continuity with your tile, and it goes all the way up, seamless glass shower. And again, you've got your matching countertops and mirrors. And of course, you've got a closet, but there's people's things in there, so I don't want to go through it. And the water closet. Let's go check out the back. So I can't get over this view. You could sit in the hot tub. And then you've got the preserve out here. Beautiful. Other than the lawn maintenance that's going, it's nice and quiet. This one is an end unit, nice and private, and nobody next to you. And you're 2 minutes from Town Square. Ha, that's the best. So for more information, give me a call or text me. I can give you all the details on this, or you can look in the description below. It's got the listing link there for you. This one's not gonna last long, so give me a ring. All right, talk to you later. Bye.